It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, gas pressurized shocks, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.